Hello everyone, welcome to Spoken Kannada classes. If you haven't watched my previous videos on Spoken Kannada, I recommend you to watch those videos first and then come to this video so that you don't miss anything in between. So, today in this video, we will be learning how to use want, don't want in Kannada. So trust me, if you learn today's section, you will definitely make hundreds of sentences in Kannada. Yes, that's correct. Depending on my previous video, I assume you all now know what do we call for I, me, you and few verbs in Kannada because I have explained all these things in previous video. So now with the help of those words, how can we use them along with want, don't want and no? Want in Kannada will be ಬೇಕು. Don't want in Kannada will be ಬೇಡ. Want is ಬೇಕು. Don't want is ಬೇಡ. ಇಲ್ಲ is no. So we say change ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. So let's try making some simple sentences using this. Let's start with want, that is ಬೇಕು. I will say I want tea. I means ನಾನು. Tea is needed for whom? It is needed for me, right here. So you have to say nanu plus ge. Again I told ge we use it for to. So nanage. To me is nanage. I want tea. Nanage tea ಬೇಕು. Want is ಬೇಕು. So as I suggested before, first you convert the sentence in your native language. Let's say it can be Hindi, English, sorry, not English because the arrangements of verbs and other things are different. It can be Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Odia, any language you take, you first convert it and observe that want will be moved at the end. Same like that in Kannada also, want will come to the end. So I want tea. Nanage tea ಬೇಕು. Then how do we say I want sandwich? So ನನಗೆ sandwich ಬೇಕು. Let's try adding one number. Okay. I will say I want 2 chocolates. How do I say? ನನಗೆ 2 chocolate ಬೇಕು. Till now the sentences were very simple using want, like I want this, I want that. Now the ಬೇಕು can be used along with have. Okay. Have to is something that is compulsory and you have to do it, right? Let's say I have to read. How do I say? I have to read is again I is ನಾನು, read is ಓದು. Read is ಓದು. Have to will be ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಓದಬೇಕು. I have to read. Okay. So let's say I have to go. How do we say? Have to is ಬೇಕು, go is ಹೋಗು. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. I have to go. So you should remember ಬೇಕು will be used when we have want as well as have to. I have to go to market. ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. I have to go to market. So now we have learned want and have to. Same till now we were explaining about ourselves. If you twist the last one letter, you can convert it to questions. Let me explain how. So what I said is ನನಗೆ ಟೀ ಬೇಕು was my first example. So how do you ask it to others? Do you want? ನಿಮಗೂ ಬೇಕಾ? ನನಗೆ ಟೀ ಬೇಕು. I want tea. Do you want? ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೀ ಬೇಕಾ? Okay. So ಬೇಕಾ, ಬೇಕು becomes ಬೇಕಾ, then you are asking it as a question. Just like that. I have to read. Do you have to read? How do we say? ನಾನು ಓದಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಓದಬೇಕಾ? ಬೇಕು becomes ಬೇಕಾ and it will be a question. I want rest. ನನಗೆ rest ಬೇಕು. Do you also want? ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕಾ? Do you also want? ನಿಮಗೂ. ನಿಮಗೆ is to you. ನಿಮಗೂ is that do you to. ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ also is ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ rest ಬೇಕಾ. Now we know how to use ಬೇಕು. let's learn how to use beda. For example, I want to say I don't want pizza. How do I say in Kannada? Nanage pizza beda. Another example, I don't want milk. Nanage milk beda. I don't want homework. Nanage homework beda. I don't want tension. Nanage tension beda. Now, okay, so just like that, I don't want, it can beda can also be used just with don't. Okay, let's say that please don't go. How do we say in Kannada? Dayavittu hogabedi or hogabeda. Hogabeda will be singular. You can use it for friends. Bedi is with respect. How do I please don't go. Dayavittu hogabedi. Beda becomes bedi here. Dayavittu hogabedi. How do you say don't do bad things? Kettaddannu madabeda. Madabeda. Madu is do, beda is don't. So don't do bad things. Kettaddannu madabeda. Kettaddannu means bad things. Now, next example, don't go to office. Office ge hogabedi. See, to office is office ge in Kannada, as we discussed in last video. Office ge, don't go. Hogabedi. Hogu is go, right? So don't go becomes hogabeda. So I have to go. How do we say? Hogabeku. Nanu office ge hogabeku. You have to go. How do we say? Neevu office ge hogabeku. Another example, don't park here. Illi, here is illi. Illi park madabedi. Okay, we are telling it with respect, madabedi. If you want to say in singular, you can say madabeda. I hope now you all know how to use beku and beda. Now let me reiterate all examples again. Along with want, let's say I want tea. Nanage tea beku. Okay, I have to go to office. Nanu office ge hogabeku. Beku, we know. When you want to ask questions, how do we say? Do you want to go to office? New office ge hogabeka. Okay. Then how to use don't? I don't want pizza. Nanage pizza beda. Definitely with this content you can make hundreds of sentences that you use in your daily life. If you are looking for any particular things if you are looking for any particular things, just mention in the comment. I will try to make video on that. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.